guys, welcome back to Nat One Videos. Today we're at the Dragon Workshop in London with my friend Matt and my good friend Aaron, and we're going to be doing some 3D scanning with the Revopoint Range to make some proxy models for Middle-earth strategy battle game.
Nice.
That was it.
That was it, yeah.
What's with the hair, man?
It's Ragnar, right?
No, Thedred, man. Oh. Wait a minute. I don't know if we can do the video anymore, man.
What? What did we do?
Wait a minute, try this.
Oh.
Yeah, that's better.
There you go.
Okay.
Quick, to the west fold!
So like I said, guys, we're here today to try out the Revopoint range, which they sent to me back in November, and I said I'd make a video. I couldn't think of anything cool to make with the scanner until I found out about the Dragon Workshop, so that's why we're here today. So there's going to be quite a few Rohirrim pirouettes in today's video. Revopoint actually sent me out a turntable which a person can stand on. This is designed so that you can get as smooth a scan as possible without having to move the scanner too much. It is a pretty nifty piece of kit, but I have to say that all of the quality from the scans is coming directly from the scanner itself, and that is if we get good quality scans. It's quite hard to actually keep it steady going the whole way down. Do you want to have a look at the scan? Yeah. Okay, so far this is what we've got. It's actually not too bad, and I haven't even rendered that yet, so let's press rendered and see what happens. It's trying, close but no cigar. Okay, so first scan hasn't been too bad. Some of this chainmail around the arms isn't coming through as well, and some areas down around the bottom.
I think I found the bottom!
Which is kind of dark. So this isn't picking up darker colors as well, and I've heard that about the Revo scanner before. We're going to give it another couple of tries to get full armor in and from head to toe, and if that doesn't work, I think we're just going to aim for a shoulder bust from here upwards. Let's see what we can do. And on to take two. Well, we actually did several more scans in Matt's shed. The thing about Matt's shed is that it's quite dim, so a lot of the areas that are dimly lit under the armor are just not showing up at all on the scanner, and it's recommended that you don't use direct sunlight, so I think we're going to have to figure something else out if we are going to get a decent scan. So we got a couple of reasonably okay scans. We're getting Aaron's head beautifully, so Matt has very kindly said that I can keep the armor.
Yeah.
Forever.
Not quite.
Not quite forever. We're going to get to borrow this armor, we're going to take it home, and we're going to get some 3D scans. Hopefully we can get a full body scan. So, back in a minute.
3 weeks later.
Hey guys, welcome back. We're back at my house here in London, and Aaron, as you can see, is very kindly dressed up in white so that we can try and pick up some of the darker areas underneath the armor. And then we're going to do a couple of scans with the armor just as is. But Matt has also said that we can use some talcum powder to take away the sheen if we need to. So we're going to be doing that in a minute. I'm just going to get Aaron dressed up in the suit of armor and we'll be right back. So, woohoo! We're back. We've got Aaron dressed up in the armor, as you can see, and we're just going to get stuck into a couple of scans. So this one's for Matt. I'm going to be using some baby powder to take away the sheen on the armor. I promise I will clean up the armor afterwards. So what we're actually doing is we're making an official Army of the Dead proxy model because he's covered in dust. So we officially smell of baby powder now, and Erin's covered in baby powder. We're looking at the previous scan, which you can see from my screen recording on the screen. You can see that it's messed up. I was so hopeful that this was going to work and that we were going to get a full body scan and like make a proxy model for Middle Earth Strategy battle game. It looks like we're not going to get to do that. So this is the final scan that we're going to do on this body armor, and we're just going to go for upper torso, bust from here upwards, and we're just going to let it go round maybe 5 or 6 times and see if we can get the best scan possible, and hopefully it comes out okay. All right, here we go. So it's quite clear to me that this is a good scanner, but it requires time and patience to really dial it in. I only had Erin for a short period of time, so we did our best within the time constraints. I have a feeling that if we had a lot more time, we might get some epic results. As you can see, this bust is headed well in the right direction. That's not bad. That is really not bad. I'm sure that we can hone this in to get a really good result. So I am going to try and turn this into an STL file, and we'll print it off anyway. But right now what we're going to do is we're going to get Erin undressed, and we will just see if we can get a scan of him without the armor on. How do you feel, Erin?
I feel like I'm in a Colombian factory.
Yes. Hopefully the police don't show up. Lols. I decided to keep that joke in simply because it gave me a nice segue to change the music and change the pace. So as you can see, with Erin wearing white and also clothes with less detail and depth, we are getting amazing results on this full body scan. I think this is where the rubber really hits the road with the Revopoint range. When it comes to the more detailed stuff like armor, well, I think it just needs more practice. I'm actually really chuffed with how this row here and bust turned out. It did need dropped into Blender though, just to do a little cleaning up and some minor sculpting on the hair, but I mean, it's actually really passable and I'm quite looking forward to painting it up. Let me know what you guys think in the comment below, and if I get enough interest, I might do a video of me painting it up and also make the STL file available. So yeah, if you want a free row hair and bust STL file, let me know in the comments below. And before I bid you farewell in this video, I just want to give a massive shout out and thank you to my friend Erin for taking the time to get dressed up in armour and help me out with this video, and also to Matt from the Dragon Workshop for making and lending me this awesome suit of armour. You are both legends. You guys bow to no one. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Bye.